Having several feelings at once can feel confusing. Now, what do you think Emma could do to handle her feelings? Go back to your presentation and answer question number 3. If you were Emma, how would you show that you were respecting Gabriela's feelings? Well, Emma likes to do things with Gabriela some of the time, but not all of the time. Today, Emma wanted to practice a new dance move, and just because she didn't want to play with Gabriela this time doesn't mean that she doesn't like her or that she won't want to play with her the next time. Let's see how she solves the problem and see if you guys got close to what you would have done if you were in Emma's shoes.
I didn't want to hurt Gabriela's feelings, and I didn't want her to be mad at me, but I really wanted to practice the dance routine with Nisi. I decided to make a plan to play with Gabriela and have her show me the stuffed animals after I practiced dancing. She said, all right, and asked if she could try dancing with us. I said sure, and Nisi and I showed her how to do some of our new moves.
Did Emma use one of your ideas? I bet you guys were solving the problem in a very good way, an empathetic way. Now, we talk about today about how feelings can be complicated. You can have more than one feeling at the same time. Understanding your own and others' feelings is an important part of empathy. Now, my last question to you is why it might be helpful to know that people can have more than one feeling. Please answer the last question, and then you're done for the day. See you tomorrow.